Dear friends, in today's video, I will guide you on how to create a profile for the InterLink Ambassador project. This task is also one of the most important tasks for those of you who are ambassadors of the InterLink Network project, so we need to do it right away. Here I will also update you on some information that I have just received from the Internet project. This project has a lot of announcements and also a lot of updates. However, sometimes they make announcements but then are unable to carry them out, or they postpone the timing for those tasks. For example, the launch of the exchange and the integrated wallet on the internet application. They also made a big announcement about it. However, up until now, they still haven't been able to deliver on it. And there was an announcement just 2 days ago. There was an important announcement regarding the project, specifically about the official launch of the ITNX Super 1F wallet. It was also mentioned that the innovative human grid technology would soon be fully integrated into the e-platform, marking a significant step forward. Tuning in November, here they will launch the wallet, and this wallet will be integrated into the e-project. Tuning and this announcement, well, it's an idea from the project that was introduced quite a long time ago, but they still haven't implemented it yet. Here you can see the demo section of the project introducing the integration and the internal wallet into the app and interning. This will be connected to our wallets. For example, if we connect with MetaMask or a Web3 wallet and OKX exchange, so we can integrate it into this section to carry out transactions. This feature is expected to launch in November or December 2025, but the exact date has not been officially announced yet. If there is any announcement about this, I will update you all. So what we need to do right now is to integrate and create our ambassador profile. For those of you who have registered in the ambassador group, you need to complete this task to verify your profile. And from here, there will be a number of rewards. Exclusive privileges are reserved for the ambassadors of the interning project, everyone. I will put the ambassador registration link in the video description, and you will need 2 devices. First, you can use a phone and a computer, or you can use 2 phones, 2 computers, or 2 phones, okay? At the very least, you need to have a phone to scan the QR code on a computer. Second, you can use 2 phones. One phone will display the QR code and the other phone will be used to scan it. Here's how to do it. I'll put the link in the video description below. After you click on the link, a page will appear for you to fill in your information. Click on the 3 lines or 3 dots at the top to open it in the general browser. Open it in the general browser like this so you can register. Once you're on this page, click on Profile. Click on Profile for me. At this step, you'll need to fill in your information. Where do you get the InterLink ID? Many of you might still not know how to get the InterLink project ID, and that's completely understandable. Just open the InterLink app for me, please. When you open the InterLink app, you'll see information like this on the main screen. Go to the last page, the one with the person icon, which is usually located at the far right or bottom of the app interface, and you'll see your ID there, like 58,128, for example. Let's say, for example, 581,289 is the ID you see on your screen. Then go back here to this page and enter 58,128 in the required field. Make sure you enter it correctly, double checking each digit to avoid any mistakes. My number is shorter than many others. Some people have much longer numbers, so you need to copy it carefully and accurately. After copying the number, click confirm to complete the process. Nah. If you have any trouble, you can always check again or ask for help. Alright, so here it will provide us with a QR code. It will give us a QR code, and we need to take a picture of this QR code, then send it to another phone or to a computer. Later, we'll scan this QR code to synchronize between the ambassador profile and our e-training account. So down here, they also guide us that after we have the image on another phone or computer, we will open our app. You will open your e-training app. After that, you will tap on the avatar icon that you can see up here at the top of your screen. To make it easier for you to find, I will draw an arrow for you, so please look for the arrow and tap right here. Next, you will need to tap here for me, following the instructions as I show you on the screen. We will point it at the QR code that we sent to the other device. Okay, so when I open the scan code section, this scanner doesn't activate the camera. I'm not sure what the cause is. So I'll go into the Phones app and look for Internet to enable all the camera functions. So you should check to see if... Has your software allowed the camera to be displayed yet? Have you allowed this app to use the camera? Here, everyone, this permission, I've already allowed the camera. Here, I'll allow it again. But even after trying, the camera still doesn't work. So I'll use another method. We'll go back to the ambassador registration page, and instead of using the scan method like before, we'll use the OTP method. If you can't scan, you can use OTP as an alternative. Here, just leave the Ethernet ID as it is below and enter your email address here. Enter the email address of your account. After you send it, it will display an OTP like this. Then, open your email to get the OTP and enter it here. I've received the email. This verification method is easier than scanning the QR code. Just copy the code, paste it here, and then click on Verify OTP. If you have any issues, check your spam or junk folder for the OTP email, as sometimes it might not appear in your main inbox. Also, make sure you have entered your email address correctly to avoid any delays. Once you have successfully entered the OTP, your verification will be complete, and you can proceed to the next step without any problems. Okay, so now we've finished syncing between the Ambassador registration page and the Antionin app. At this point, you have the opportunity to upload your photo. Just upload your profile picture right here in this section. Okay. Next, below, we'll proceed to fill in the fields that are located below, such as your name, your full name, your identification number, and your address. So, here, in this particular field, we'll enter the country as Vietnam. For the bio section, you can enter anything you like, such as a short introduction about yourself or any information you want to share. The account name here is Jiang, and the field below is optional, meaning you can choose to leave it blank if you prefer. After that, just click Save to complete the process. Alright, so now the ambassador profile has been successfully created. If you click directly on this profile, you'll see your photo, your full name, and the blue check mark, which means your profile has been verified. Then there's your Antionin ID, your country, and your account name. So we've successfully verified the ambassador profile. I'll end this video here. Thank you for watching my videos, and see you in the next ones.